Hello students, I am Kunna from Kunna's Horizon. Now I am going to tell you something about the triangles and another proof that the which will be much more improvement, much more needed for you while solving the problems of your books and exercise books. But remember, go through the videos nicely, view the videos exactly properly from the starting till the ending, then only you can understand the what I am going to tell you and what I am going to teach you. Then after that, view the channel, share the channel as among your friends, among your groups and among your family members who are in need and who are reading between class 6 to class 10. Class 6 to class 10. All of you need these proofs. So from class 6 to class 10, all of you need these proofs. So go through the videos, give your views, give your comments and share among your friends and your family members. But before that, never forget to subscribe the channel. So never forget to subscribe. Please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel. This will make the channel powerful and encourage me to give you much more videos in a much improvised way so that you can learn more and more. You can learn more and more. And now let's start for the lessons. Now let's start for the lesson. First one, the bisector, the angle made by the bisector of any two exterior angle is equal to equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 of the third opposite angle of the triangle. So see here, I am making a diagram here. So this is a triangle A, B, C, D, E. So see here, what is given? That means ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle given here, and angle CBD and angle ECB are the two exterior angles. So the next, what is given here, that is you have to prove BO and CO are the two bisectors. BO and CO are the two bisectors. BO and CO are the two bisectors. Given. So here that means what is to prove? is angle RTP. RTP is equal to angle BOC. Angle BOC is equal to 90 minus 1 by 2 of angle A. Angle A, which is the third opposite angle. Third opposite angle. Third opposite angle of the triangle where the exterior angles are made. Where the exterior angles are made. So all of you go through the diagram. All of you go through the diagram. You can understand nicely and properly if you will go through the diagram and go try to understand the diagram nicely. So all of you see here. Now I am going to prove this one. Proof. The first one is angle DBC. Angle DBC. DBC. This angle. The whole angle is equal to angle BCA is equal to angle BCA plus angle BAC plus angle BAC. This is because sum of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. Next one, see here, DBC is equal to BCA plus BAC. BCA plus BAC. Now DBC is equal to DBO plus OBC. DBO plus OBC. So DBC is equal to DBO plus OBC and DBO is equal to BOC because DBO is equal to BOC because OB is the bisector of OB is the bisector of DBC. So DBO is equal to angle BOC. OB is the bisector of angle DBC. Therefore DBC is equal to 2 OBC is equal to 2 OBC. DBC is equal to 2 OBC. This is one result we have got. That is DBC is equal to 2 angle OBC. DBC is equal to 2 OBC. Similarly, I can write here again angle ECB, ECB is equal to ECB is equal to DABC, DBC is equal to BCA plus BAC, DBC. Then ECB, this full angle, this angle is equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC, angle ABC is equal plus BAC, exterior angle, here also exterior angle is equal to opposite sum of the opposite interior angle, sum of the opposite interior angles. So next I can write here ECB is equal to again ECB is equal to again, see here ECB is equal to ECO plus OCB is equal to ECO plus OCB and ECO is equal to OCB because OC is the bisector. OC is the bisector. OC is the bisector. Now I can write here ECB. ECB is equal to 2 OCB. ECB is equal to 2 OCB. That means 2 OCB is equal to ABC plus BAC. ABC plus BAC. This is the second equation. Now from here I can write here so DBC. So this is the second equation. The first equation is here DBC is equal to 2 OBC. That means this is equal to 2 OBC. This is equal to ABC. That is BCA plus BAC. BCA plus BAC. So this is equal to, and this one is the first equation, and this one is 2 OCB. 2 OCB is equal to ABC plus BAC. So this is the second equation. So proving that, taking these two, we can prove the above fact. Now I am showing you how I am going to prove. I am rubbing this one because I don't have any space in the board. So this one is number 1 equation, and number 2 I have written here. Now you see here, according to the triangle interior angle rule, angle ABC plus angle ACB plus angle BAC BAC is equal to angle OBC plus angle OCB plus angle BOC. So see here, OBC is equal to, this is equal to OBC. In place of OBC, I can write BCA plus BAC by 2, because here I am having, according to equation 1, here I am having 2 OBC is equal to BCA plus BAC. So OBC, in place of OBC, I can write BCA plus BAC by 2. Next, OCB plus this one, this is ABC plus BAC by 2 plus BOC as usual. Now see here, according to the equation 1, this is the format, and according to the equation 2, this is the format, and this one is written here, equation 1 and equation 2. Now just take the LCM and do the addition. BCA plus BAC plus ABC plus BAC plus 2BOC is equal to, now see here, 2 is, now if the denominator 2, I will bring here, that means 2 into ABC plus ACB plus BAC is equal to BCA angle. BCA plus BAC plus BAC, 2 BAC and then plus ABC plus 2 BOC. Now again I am multiplying here, 2 ABC plus 2 ACB plus 2 BAC. BAC is equal to BCA plus 2 BAC plus ABC plus 2 BOC. Now see here, 2 ABC is here, 2 BAC and 2 BAC. It is cancelled. Now see here, 2 ABC, I am bringing this side, the other one ABC this side, ABC to this side, minus ABC plus 2 ACB minus ACB minus BCA, whatever you can say, BCA and ACB are same angle, is equal to 2 angle BOC. Now 2 ABC minus ABC is equal to what? ABC plus 2 ACB minus BCA, that is BCA is equal to 2 BOC. So see here, we have another proof here, ABC plus ACB plus BAC is equal to 180 degree. ABC ABC plus ACB plus BAC. BAC is equal to 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. So ABC plus BCA. ABC plus BCA. BCA is equal to, therefore ABC plus BCA. BCA is equal to 180 minus BAC. 180 minus BAC. Sum of the minus BAC, ABC plus BAC is equal to 180 minus. So this is, if I will give the place here, that is equal to 180 minus BAC is equal to angle 2BOC. 2BOC. So this is therefore BOC is equal to 180 minus by 2 minus BAC by 2. This is equal to 90 minus BAC by 2. This is the proof. This is the proof. So see here, you have understood, I have taught you the whole video, the whole thing. So everything is clear here. If you will go through this video, then you can understand that this angle is equal to 90 minus BAC. 90 BOC is equal to 90 minus BAC. So this is the proof which I have taught you. Go through the video nicely. You can understand. This is a large proof, but it is needed. So all of you view the channel, subscribe the channel, then the channel will be powerful and you will get more and more videos like this way. And very soon I am going to give you the triangle chapter NCERT solutions of the chapter triangle. NCERT book solution. Okay, thank you.